Ever found yourself staring at a screen, phone in hand, thinking, how do I even get this app? It's a question we've all asked at some point, and today we're tackling it head-on, specifically for the Lightspeed app. If you're looking to streamline your business, manage your sales, or just explore what Lightspeed has to offer, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through the download process step by step. No tech jargon, no confusing menus, just a clear and simple guide to get Lightspeed onto your device. Lightspeed is a powerful platform, but like any software, you've got to download it first. And that's where we come in. Whether you're on an iPhone, an Android device, or even looking to access it on your computer, we've got you covered. We'll break down each platform individually, so you can skip to the section that's most relevant to you. No more endless scrolling through help forums or guessing which button to press. We're here to make it easy. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about what Lightspeed actually is. For those unfamiliar, Lightspeed offers a range of point-of-sale and e-commerce solutions designed to help businesses of all sizes thrive. From managing inventory and processing payments to tracking sales and engaging with customers, Lightspeed aims to be a one-stop shop for business management. And it all starts with downloading the app. So, let's get started. First up, we'll cover downloading Lightspeed on an iOS device like your iPhone or iPad. This process is pretty straightforward, as most iOS app downloads are. You'll want to head over to the App Store. It's that icon with the stylized. You can't miss it. Once you're in the App Store, you'll see a search bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and type in Lightspeed. You should see several Lightspeed apps pop up, depending on the specific Lightspeed product you're looking for. For example, you might see Lightspeed Retail, Lightspeed Restaurant, or Lightspeed On-Site. Choose the app that aligns with your business needs. Once you've found the correct app, tap on it to view its details. Here, you'll see information about the app, including its features, reviews, and screenshots. You'll also see a button, usually a blue one, that says Get, or has a cloud icon with a downward arrow. Tap this button. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. Once you've done that, the app will begin downloading. You'll see a progress bar around the app icon on your home screen. Once the download is complete, the icon will appear normally, and you can tap it to open the app. Now, let's move on to downloading Lightspeed on an Android device. The process is very similar to iOS, but instead of the App Store, you'll be using the Google Play Store. Find the Play Store icon on your Android device. It usually looks like a multicolored triangle. Tap it to open the Play Store. Just like on iOS, you'll find a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and type in Lightspeed. Again, you'll see a list of Lightspeed apps. Select the one that's right for you. On the app's details page, you'll see a green button that says Install. Tap this button to begin the download. You might be asked to grant certain permissions to the app. Review these permissions carefully and tap Accept if you're comfortable with them. The app will then begin downloading. You'll see a progress bar, and once the download is finished, the app icon will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. You can then tap it to open Lightspeed. Now, what if you want to use Lightspeed on your computer? Well, many Lightspeed products are web-based, meaning you access them through your web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. This means you don't actually download an application in the traditional sense. Instead, you'll visit the Lightspeed website and log in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. Lightspeed's website will guide you through the process. Once you're logged in, you can access all the features of your chosen Lightspeed product directly from your browser. This is particularly useful for managing your business from a desktop or laptop. One thing to keep in mind, regardless of whether you're downloading the app or accessing Lightspeed through your browser, is that you'll likely need an active internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable mobile data connection to ensure a smooth download and usage experience. Another important point is to make sure you're downloading the official Lightspeed app. There are many fake apps out there that try to mimic popular software. Downloading from unofficial sources can expose your device to malware or compromise your data. Always download Lightspeed from the official App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. If you're accessing Lightspeed through your browser, make sure you're visiting the official Lightspeed website. Look for the secure HTTPS in the website address. So, to recap, downloading Lightspeed is a simple process. On iOS, head to the App Store, search for Lightspeed, choose the correct app, and tap Get. On Android, go to the Google Play Store, search for Lightspeed, select the app and tap Install. And for computer access, simply visit the Lightspeed website and log in to your account. Remember to download from official sources and maintain a stable internet connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.